Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to turn off voice to text on iPhone. So this is really easy, so make sure to listen to me so you will not get lost. So in order to do that, let's head first to an app, which is the iMessage. And when you click that, I am on a conversation with a friend. And as you can see, my keyboard is open. And on my keyboard, you can see a microphone icon, which is right here. So when we click that microphone icon, let's try to say something, okay? Hello, my friend, are you okay? As you can see, it has typed out what I said, and I can now ready to send it to a friend. However, if I want to disable it or turn it off, what I need to do is to head over to my settings. And once I'm in there, I just need to scroll down until I can see general. So let's click on that. And in there, just scroll down until you can see keyboard. This is just under the date and time. And you can see in here, just scroll down until you can see this dictation just on the bottom. As you can see right now, it's enabled. So to turn it off, just turn this off right here. Let's click on turn off dictation, and as of right now, the dictation is off. So let's head over again to our message. And as you can see right now, let's refresh it. And as you can see, the microphone icon that is in here earlier has disappeared. So I can now type out anything that I want to send to my friend. So let's try typing, hi. That's it. However, there's only one thing that you should be aware of. You can also send voice messages because dictation is different from voice messages. So to send voice messages, you can just click this A icon right here, and it will open this icons right here wherein you can record your voice messages. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.